The fifth product on our list is the eRapta ERT01. This is our best budget backup camera. If you're looking for one of the cheapest backup cameras around, then the popular eRapta ERT01 is one of the most affordable choices for you. Currently priced at $25, the eRapta delivers clear HD video to help you avoid objects and safely park while you reverse your car. With a 149-degree viewing angle and brightly colored assist lanes, the eRapta helps you judge distance and avoid objects while backing up your car into tight parking spaces, for example. You'll find that not only is it easy to see the camera's image during the daytime, but the eRapta camera's night vision also helps you see images easily at nighttime too. You'll also like eRapta's straightforward installation that starts with mounting the eRapta right onto your license plate. The eRapta uses the screws on your license plate to pin itself flush to your plate, and there's a pivot option to angle the camera up or down to get the best backup view. You'll also appreciate how the eRapta ERT01 only works when your car is in reverse. It also has a great IP69 waterproof rating, making it very resistant to direct splashing. The key features are specifications: 9.4 by 1 by 1.3 inches and weighs 2.8 ounces. Camera type: license plate backup camera without a monitor. RCA cable length: 26 feet. The pros are assist guidelines. Brightly colored lines help you judge distance and avoid objects. HD video lets you clearly see what is behind you when you're backing up. Night vision: LED lights that help illuminate around the backup camera so you can see better in the dark. Viewing angle: 149 degrees offers an optimized and accurate view of what is behind you. Waterproof, rated IP69. Pivot lets you angle the camera up or down to accommodate to your car's height. And for the cons, off color. Trees and other green objects may have a purple tone to them. No monitor. This does not come with its own monitor. If you're looking for a cheap backup camera, the eRapta ERT01 delivers a clear HD image with a wide 149-degree viewing angle, brightly colored assist lines, and is rated IP69 waterproof, making it one of the best budget options for you. The fourth product on our list is the LeeKooLuu LK1. This is our best backup camera for trucks and campers under $50. If you're looking for an affordable backup camera for your truck or camper, then the LeeKooLuu LK1 is one of your best options under $50. Currently priced at $40, the LK1 comes with its own rear-view mirror monitor that easily connects to your existing rear-view mirror. The vibrant anti-glare 4.3-inch 720p screen with various controls includes the option to adjust your assist guidelines width to best fit your situation, which you'll find is especially useful if you're trying to line up your truck or camper. You'll also like that the LK1 delivers a clear picture even at nighttime with 5 bright LED lights located around the camera that let you see up to 30 feet behind you. When you're not actively using the LeeKooLuu camera, you can turn off the camera and use the mirror monitor as a regular rear view mirror. You also have the option to mount the display right on your dashboard, which is a nice bonus. Similar to the eRapta, you'll find the LeeKooLuu also installs directly on your license plate, except the LeeKooLuu's mounting kit slides between your car and the license plate, making the camera more discreet. The key features are camera quality, 720p, monitor type, rear view mirror monitor or dashboard monitor, RCA video cable length, 23.5 feet. The pros are rear view mirror monitor, large 4.3-inch 720p viewing monitor installs on top of your existing rear view mirror. Image options: the mirror monitor lets you adjust brightness, contrast, as well as adjust your assist guidelines. Super night vision: 5 bright LED lights help you see behind you by 30 feet. Waterproof, rated IP69. Streaming options: choose for it to work continuously or only when you reverse. Pivot, backup camera can be angled up and down for the best view. And for the cons, routing. Large video cables may be difficult to install in smaller vehicles. If you're looking for an affordable backup camera with its own display for your truck or camper, the LeeKooLuu LK1 comes with its own rear-view mirror monitor that easily connects to your existing rear-view mirror and lets you adjust your assist guidelines width as well as moving to best fit your vehicle type. making it especially useful for trucks and campers. The third product on our list is the TOGUARD FHD 1080p Dual Dash Cam. This is our best rear view mirror dash cam and backup camera. If you're looking for a mirror dash cam with a backup camera and some great features, then the TOGUARD FHD 1080p Dual Dash Cam is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $60, the TOGUARD comes with a large 7-inch 1080p mirror monitor that latches onto your existing rear view mirror, and dual cameras to record both front and back. Unlike the LeeKooLuu, TOGUARD's display is a touchscreen, letting you easily cycle through options like recording front and back video, taking pictures, and video playback without fumbling to locate hardware buttons. Installation is a little more involved than the LeeKooLuu and comes with a reverse camera kit. Once installed, you'll find the image of the rear camera will automatically switch over the full view and trigger guidelines for safe parking when you put the car in reverse gear. Aside from the benefits of the backup camera, you get all the features and benefits of a front-facing camera, including parking monitor, motion detection, G-sensor emergency recording, and loop recording that records both front and back video. The key features are cameras, 1080p front-facing camera with a 170-degree viewing angle and a 480p backup camera with a 120-degree viewing angle. Monitor type, rear view mirror monitor. The pros are assisted guidelines. Clear colored lines help you reverse into cramped parking spaces. Wide mirror monitor. 7-inch 1080p monitor screen gives you very clear views from front and rear cameras. Touchscreen. Responsive, user-friendly screen lets you record front and back video, take photos, and playback video. G-sensor. Automatically locks video when it detects a collision to your vehicle. Parking monitor. Cameras will start recording if it detects any collision while your vehicle is parked. Loop recording. Camera automatically records over old video when microSD is full, ensuring you always have the most current recorded videos. And for the cons, backup camera resolution only records 480p. If you're looking for a mirror dash cam with a backup camera, the TOGUARD FHD 1080p Dual Dash Cam comes with a large 7-inch 1080p mirror monitor that latches onto your existing rear view mirror, a front-facing camera, and a backup camera with all the great features and benefits of a dash cam, making it one of the best options for you. The second product on our list is the Garmin BC40 Wireless Backup Cam. This is our best backup camera for Garmin fans. If you're looking for a seamless wireless solution for a backup camera to use with your Garmin Navigator, then the Garmin BC40 is a great option for you. Currently priced at $130, the BC40 works wirelessly with your compatible Garmin Navigator to see everything behind your vehicle. The BC40's sleek camera bar works without any wiring, making for a far simpler setup than other options. You'll find installing the camera is quick and easy by snapping into the included license plate mount without the need to tediously run wires underneath panels, and then just pair wirelessly with your Garmin Navigator. That's it. One of the great features is the BC40 works with voice commands, so you can simply say, "Show the rear camera," and you'll see the image on your Garmin display without fumbling for physical buttons or trying to navigate a touchscreen while you're driving or parking. You'll get an impressive 150-degree viewing angle, and the 720p camera delivers bright colors with great resolution and also displays helpful assist lines. The BC40 can transmit up to 25 feet to provide a wide, clear video image of what's behind your vehicle, making it great for campers, RVs, and trucks. You'll like that it runs on 2 AA batteries, so you won't have to do any drilling or complicated wiring into your car's electrical circuit either. The key features are rear camera mounting type, license plate mounting kit, camera, 720p. The pros are very easy installation, no drilling holes and no more running wires to your car's electrical circuit. Simply mount the backup camera to the license plate mount and wirelessly connect. Battery, uses 2 AA batteries to last up to 3 months. Weatherproof, strong IPX7 rating makes the camera very resistant to rain, splashes, and snow. Clear image, wirelessly transmits clear and wide rear video image up to 25 feet. Voice activated, use your voice to open up rear camera view. And for the cons, compatibility, only works with specific Garmin Navigator models. If you're looking for a hassle-free wireless solution for a backup camera to use with your Garmin Navigator, then the Garmin BC40 works over your compatible Garmin Navigator's Wi-Fi to see everything behind your vehicle and can transmit up to 25 feet, making it great for campers, RVs, and trucks, and making it a great option for you. The first product on our list is the AUTO-VOX CS-2. This is our best overall backup camera. If you're looking for one of the best backup cameras around, the AUTO-VOX CS-2 is a great option for you. Currently priced at $120, the CS-2 is a two-part backup camera system consisting of a 4.5 by 2.4-inch monitor and the backup camera itself, and uses point-to-point digital transmission, so you'll notice there won't be any interruptions in the video stream since the backup camera uses a dedicated antenna. The CS-2 has an impressive 320 feet transmission range, making it great for RVs, campers, and even commercial rigs. You'll find the CS-2 is designed to mount right on your license plate bracket and has a built-in frame with a screw slot, so installation takes only about a minute with just a screwdriver. The caveat here is that if your license plate is mounted off to one side, you'll need to screw the camera into your bumper, which may not be optimal. You'll get a nice 110-degree viewing angle, and with the 5 full glass lens and 0.1 low lumen sensors, which is more than enough for a backup camera, you'll enjoy getting clear and crisp images both during the day and at night. The key features are display, 4.5 by 0.5 by 3.4 inches, viewing angle, 110 degrees. The pros are digital wireless transmission. The backup camera communicates seamlessly up to 320 feet with the display monitor using point-to-point digital signal transmission to send stable and clear images. Night vision. Special 5 full lens with low lumen sensor provides clear images at nighttime. Easy installation. Display monitor connects to your car charger while backup camera sources its power from your reverse lights power wire. Rated IP68. Backup camera can withstand sand, dust, dirt, and direct water splashes. Adjustable assist guidelines. Choose from 6 different parking lines to best suit your car. There's also an option to turn them off. Easy installation. Takes only about a minute with just a screwdriver. And for the cons, installation placement. Designed for cars with its license plate in the middle of the car. If you're looking for a great backup camera, the AUTO-VOX CS-2 comes with its own 4.5 by 2.4-inch monitor and uses point-to-point digital transmission for uninterrupted video transmission with up to 320 feet with stable and clear images, making it one of the best choices for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.